Ever wondered how our devices seem to understand and respond to us so intelligently? It's as if they've gained a mind of their own, isn't it? They help us navigate the world, connect us with loved ones, even assist us in our work. This isn't magic, but the result of intricate technology. The world around us is becoming increasingly smarter, and at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. The secret behind this is something called chatbots, particularly a type known as ChatGPT. Dive into the world of ChatGPT, an advanced form of chatbot. Imagine having a conversation with a computer program that understands your language, responds intelligently, and even makes you laugh. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is here, and it's called ChatGPT. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a language prediction model created by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research lab. Now let's break that down. When we say chat, we mean conversation. Generative refers to the model's ability to generate or create, while pre-training indicates that the model has been pre-trained on a vast amount of text data. Transformer is a type of architecture used in AI that allows the model to understand the context of a conversation. So, in simple terms, ChatGPT is a sophisticated chatbot that uses artificial intelligence to understand and generate human-like text based on the information it has been trained on. Picture it as a smart friend who's read a lot of books and can hold a conversation on almost any topic. But what sets ChatGPT apart from other chatbots? Its ability to predict. While most chatbots react to user inputs with pre-programmed responses, ChatGPT takes it a step further. It predicts what comes next in a conversation. It's like playing chess where you're always thinking a few moves ahead. And because it's been trained on a vast array of text data, it can handle a broad range of conversational topics. From casual chit-chat to in-depth discussions, ChatGPT can do it all. It's like having a personal assistant who understands you, can draft your emails, answer your queries, and even entertain you with a joke or two. But remember, ChatGPT is not perfect. It's a tool that's constantly learning and evolving. Like us humans, it can make mistakes, but it continues to improve with each interaction. So, let's take a look at how ChatGPT works, shall we? It's time to peel back the layers and dive deeper into this fascinating world of artificial intelligence and language prediction. Think of ChatGPT as a clever student who has read billions of lines of text and learned to predict the next word in a sentence. Now that's an intriguing thought, isn't it? But how does ChatGPT do this? The secret lies in language prediction models and machine learning. Let me explain. Language prediction models are like the brain of ChatGPT. They are trained to understand and generate human-like text. Imagine you're reading a book and you try to guess the next word in a sentence. That's precisely what language prediction models do. They read, understand, and predict, but here's the catch: they do it for billions of lines of text. To train these models, we use a method called machine learning. It's like teaching a child to speak. The child listens, learns, makes mistakes, corrects them, and eventually starts forming sentences. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn from vast amounts of data, find patterns, make predictions, and keep improving over time. ChatGPT uses these language prediction models to generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a person who has read every book in the library and can talk about any topic under the sun. It's not perfect, of course. It might make mistakes, misunderstand context, or even generate nonsensical sentences, but it's constantly learning and improving just like a human. And the most fascinating part, all of this is done in a fraction of a second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. It's like having a superhuman friend who can talk about anything at lightning speed. So, in essence, ChatGPT is a combination of massive data, complex algorithms, and lightning-fast computations. It's a testament to the power of artificial intelligence and its potential to revolutionize the way we communicate. This might seem complex, but it's made simpler with a concept called transformers. So let's delve into that next, shall we? Transformers are the building blocks of ChatGPT, helping it understand the context and generate relevant responses. Imagine having a conversation with a friend. The understanding you have of their words is not just based on those words alone, but also the context in which they're said, right? The same principle applies to ChatGPT. And this is where transformers come in. In the world of artificial intelligence, transformers are a type of model that processes input data, in this case, text, in chunks rather than one word at a time. This is crucial in helping ChatGPT understand the context of a conversation. Think of transformers as the brain's neurons, working together to make sense of the world. They analyze all parts of the sentence simultaneously, allowing ChatGPT to understand the broader context and nuances. This isn't just about understanding individual words, but how those words relate to each other within the sentence and even how sentences connect in a conversation. Now, why are transformers so important in generating text that's not just coherent but also contextually accurate? Well, their ability to understand context allows them to predict what comes next in a conversation. They use the information from previous sentences to generate a response that aligns with the ongoing conversation. Let's say you're chatting about your favorite movie and then shift the discussion to its director. A transformer-based model like ChatGPT would understand this change in context and continue the conversation appropriately, discussing the director's other works, style, or influence. This level of contextual understanding is what sets ChatGPT apart. It's not just spitting out pre-programmed responses, but engaging in a dynamic dialogue, adapting its responses based on the conversation's context. So, while transformers might seem like a complex concept, they're really the secret sauce behind ChatGPT's ability to carry on a conversation as naturally as a human would. They're the key to making our interactions with AI more seamless and human-like. While this is all fascinating, one might ask, how can we use ChatGPT? From drafting emails to writing essays, ChatGPT finds use in numerous areas. Let's dive into some of these practical applications. One of the most common ways people use ChatGPT is for drafting emails. Imagine you're struggling to find the right words for an important email. You simply feed your thoughts to ChatGPT, and it helps you articulate them in a professional manner. It's like having your personal secretary who's always ready to help. Writing essays is another area where ChatGPT shines. Whether you're a student looking to improve your academic writing or a professional working on a report, ChatGPT can help you structure your ideas and provide suggestions to enhance your writing. It's like having a writing mentor at your disposal round the clock. But that's not all. ChatGPT is also making waves in the world of coding. It can assist developers by providing code suggestions, thus making their work easier and more efficient. Imagine having a coding buddy who's there to help whenever you get stuck. That's exactly what ChatGPT does. And then there's the realm of conversational agents. Developers are harnessing the power of ChatGPT to create chatbots that can understand and respond to human language more naturally. These chatbots can perform a variety of tasks, from answering customer queries to providing personalized recommendations. With ChatGPT, we're moving towards a future where our interactions with technology become more intuitive and human-like. Finally, let's not forget about content creators. ChatGPT can assist them by generating creative content from blog posts to scripts for videos, helping them to keep their audiences engaged. It's clear that the potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and varied. Whether it's in our professional lives or our personal tasks, ChatGPT is transforming the way we communicate and interact with text-based data. Indeed, ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. So, we've taken a deep dive into the world of ChatGPT, but let's summarize our journey. In this enlightening exploration, we began by unmasking the concept of ChatGPT, an impressive language model developed by OpenAI. We understood that it's not just a conventional chatbot, but an AI system that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. As we moved further, we unpacked the functionality of ChatGPT, revealing how it operates. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? The system reads the text, understands the context, and generates an appropriate response, and all this happens in a split second, making it seem like you're in a real conversation with a human. Our journey then took us to the heart of ChatGPT, the transformers. These are the mechanisms that power ChatGPT, enabling it to understand and generate text. We decoded how transformers work, giving us a deeper understanding of the technology that drives this AI marvel. Finally, we explored the practical applications of ChatGPT, from drafting emails to writing articles, from coding assistance to language translation, and even more. The possibilities are immense and exciting. It's like having a personal assistant, a writer, and a translator all rolled into one. Remember, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot, it's a glimpse into the future of AI.